Just a perfect day to come to the beach here in Hollywood. Today we're going to explore the boardwalk, the beach, and some of the great resorts and restaurants. Let's explore this gem. Perfect day to come to the Hollywood Beach Boardwalk. There are a lot of great beaches in Florida, but what's cool about this one is the boardwalk experience. Hit the beach and also hit the bars, restaurants, t-shirt places. This is a northern view of the boardwalk. What a gorgeous day. Just look at the beach here today. Flawless temperature, high 80s. Feel that breeze. Look at the palm trees swaying. Definitely a Florida fantasy. The beach, yeah. I can't believe they don't let dogs here though. And we're continuing our stroll along the boardwalk here, heading south. Or maybe there's nothing to it. Bonnie and Reed's Toucan Hideout. Another burger place with sandwiches and french fries or Greek salads. Let's see what's inside. And there's a lot of dining places directly on the Atlantic Ocean here. Now we're passing Venice, a great place for drinks and meals. Pizza's half off? Another fun bar and restaurant is Bonnie and Reed's, a Toucan Hideout, directly on the beach.
We want to see the whole boardwalk.
So we're going to rent a bike at the bike shack. Jeannine and I were going to go on a bike ride along the boulevard.
We have to stay in the bike lane?
Yes.
Okay, but if we go off because we're not too smart, you know. Okay, here comes another bike.
Now, are we in the wrong lane?
No, he said stay in the bike lane.
You know I can't turn mine.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
So you're, okay, so I'm the,
she's got to be the
okay,
steer.
this has all the controls. Yes. That's probably better than I have.
Don't crash in these people. Oh, this is the back of that Hollywood hotel.
Oh.
So they're going to destroy this memorable structure to build something a lot more commercial.
Look, Jim, turn off your video.
So Jim and Jeannine here. We're riding our Surrey vehicle along the gorgeous boardwalk here in Hollywood. It's a lot more exercise than we thought it was going to be. Only one of us can actually drive it.
A baby in there. Look, do you see?
Oh, a baby cart, yeah.
This is not easy.
No, it's not that work. How far do you think we've gone?
20 miles.
We've gone 3 minutes since I wanted to already quit.
Let's go down to where those mangroves are.
Okay, there's mangroves?
You see them up there
okay,
or
sure.
whatever. They could be great
sure.
trees too. Because we would have said, oh, I wonder how far. I think it ends about here. Okay, turn us around.
Full throttle. Oh, no, Chris!
Oh my gosh! I'm sorry. Thank you. So now we can go down the other way that I don't think we've walked a couple, it's like 4 miles. So
yeah, we've already seen the stuff. I had a good time.
This is a good idea.
I'm glad we did the bike. My legs are getting a little bit better now.
Be careful, there's people right there. You gotta make sure, slow down a little. They should have corn. Because these people are not.
Now see what happens when Jim and Jeannine take a Surrey ride. Hey guys. Check out the paradise at the Margaritaville Resort here in Hollywood Beach. Let's see. It's a happening spot here. Like,
Yeah, they don't want people coming on.
Video them and shit, yeah. And now we're looking at the rear entry. The views are spectacular from Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. I love the little lighthouse. I love these Baha'i huts. The thatched huts add an ambiance. I love those cabanas here. Now we're gonna check out the beautiful beach here they have at the Margaritaville Resort. Oh, I love the double turquoise aqua recliners. People from all over the world appreciate the luxurious beach here in Hollywood. Look at those palm trees. And look at the water. Now you're looking south of Hollywood Beach towards Hollandale. Look at all those high rises. One part of Hollywood is the Johnson Street Park and Pavilion. Look at that great band shell. Concerts. There are also additional stores, restaurants. Did we already walk past this part or not?
Yes, I remember this. We're getting close to where we started. Okay, Jim, I might need help. Slow down.
There's a bell. I can't believe you don't have a rear mirror.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Okay, be careful. This guy's pulling his tricycle.
Oh, this is where we came through. Remember you said there was that park?
Yes, this is where we came in. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay, so this is, see it says Garfield.
City of Hollywood, Chernow Park. Connecticut.
We might go into.
I don't think I've ever been this far. Neptune Beach Resort.
Did you drink any of your water?
Not too much.
You really should. Because you're sweating. If I'm sweating, you're probably sweating too.
So there's more mom and pop Art Deco type hotels here.
Where we came in seems to be where most of the restaurants are.
I want to take about a stop at that Marriott.
But if you can't leave me sitting out here for too long, I'll cook.
Oh, I see what you're saying. The beautiful sea wind. I love the pastel colors of these mom and pop hotels. And look at the bar and ambiance of the Riptide Resort with authentic towel roof.
Tiki bar.
Riptide Hotel Tiki Restaurant. I bet that's $250. Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, because you're right on the beach,
Yeah.
which is nice.
This is kind of like Greece. Years ago, this used to be a Howard Johnson's. My family went here as a child, and now we're going to go back and see what's new at the Howard Johnson's. It is now a Marriott. Hey, this is the pool area here at the Marriott. Very compact. They let you into the bar area. They'll let you spend money at the Marriott, but they don't really want you to. Check it out. Nice outdoor dining. Now we're entering the Marriott here. Kind of a pseudo-Caribbean, Florida ambiance here. Oh, what is this blue thing here?
Is this cottages or is it houses?
I like how it looks.
They could be people's houses.
Might be.
Or is it like a resort?
Yeah, it's like a little bit more retro. Nice ambiance here.
The park and then
Do you know what park this is? And this is a northern Hollywood Beach Park. Look at all these beautiful mangroves. Keating Beach. City of Hollywood Beach, Florida.
Oh, this is great.
Oh, this would be a good place to go to the beach, actually. Kind of pristine, nice restaurants.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
What is this stuff?
There's a fun vibe at the Riptide, a classic hotel tiki bar. Those people waiting for the social security checks to come in.
We got 15 minutes to return.
15 minutes?
15.
Okay, now we're under stress. We gotta return our... I like the Bel Air Wheatley Rounds.
I'm not eating an extra snack. We'll just...
And years ago, we came to the Johnson Street Mall. It's changed now. You got Wings. You don't have the crappy t-shirt places. But wait a second, you still do.